Hi there, I'm gonna do the substitution method on system equation for you, okay? So basically you are gonna look at the two equation that they give it to you, and we're gonna pick one that you can substitute and replace it to the other equation. So from two variable, you only have one to solve. Like I'm looking at number 9. So we have x equal to negative y minus 3. So x is negative y minus 3. I will take negative y minus 3 and replace it with the x. Get x is this, okay? So the entire x is now negative y minus 3. 5 times negative y minus 3 plus 2y equal to 0. Okay. Oh, equal to 9. Okay, so you're gonna write the entire thing down and replace the x by the one right here. So then we distribute normal. So we only need to solve for y. From two variable, it's become 1. Negative 5y minus 15 plus 2y equal 9. And then we combine the like term, negative 3y minus 15 equal 9. Plus 15 equal 9. So we have negative 3y is 24, y is negative 8. All right, so we are halfway done. So a solution of a system of an equation is a point. It's gonna be a x and y point, okay, a coordinate. So when you have y, we're gonna find either one of this equation. I'm gonna plug it in and find x. So since I find x, I'm gonna plug it in here. X is negative y minus 3. So we're gonna have minus of minus 8 will be 8. Minus 3, x is 5. And the solution of the system of equation is 5 comma negative 8. Next one, we're gonna do number 8. Well, this one is x equal to, let me find anything else that more complicated. Okay, I'm gonna do 6, okay? So number 6 say y equal to 10x minus 8 and negative 5x plus 3y equal 51. So I'll take the entire thing of y equal to, and I substitute this whole thing into the y. Okay, so we have negative 5x plus 3 times the entire y is 10x minus 8 equal 51. Negative 5x plus 30x, distribute two terms, minus 24 equal 51. 25x minus 24 equal 51. At 24 will be 75. So x is 3. When we know x, we are halfway done. We need to find y. So take x is 3, plug it into this x to find y. Y is 10 times x is now 3 minus 8. 30 minus 8 is 22. 3 comma negative 22.